Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something every older man needs to understand. How to give compliments that make a younger woman really like you. Because it's true, younger women can tell when a compliment from a man is genuine and when it's just flattery. So in this video, I'll share 6 powerful compliments that can make older men attract, respect, and be curious. Let's get started. Number 1. You have a really peaceful energy about you. Younger women are often told that they're beautiful or hot. But when an older man says, "You have a calm, peaceful energy," she's listening with something deep, a lot of attention. It's telling her that you're looking at her soul, not just her looks. It's mature. It's emotional. It shows that you see her soul, not just her face. And this is something that younger people rarely do. Number 2, I like the way you think. This compliment is like pure gold. When you say to a younger woman, "I like the way you think," you are giving her intellectual respect. You are not treating her like a little girl. You are treating her like a woman who matters. This creates emotional attraction, not just physical. And women remember men who make them feel smart. And they appreciate them. Number 3, you have a unique way of seeing the world. This shows curiosity and maturity. You are not judging her. You are interested in her. It tells her, "I value your uniqueness." Often men try to impress women by talking about themselves. But an older man who can say this shows that he's confident enough to listen and is going to listen carefully to what she has to say. That's rare, and it's immediately noticeable. Number 4, you make people feel comfortable. Young women are often surrounded by societal pressures. Appearance, competition, perfection. When you tell her that she has a natural ability to make others feel comfortable, it touches her heart, and it makes her uneasy. It's not about her beauty. It's about her kindness and presence. And trust me, it hits home in different ways. She'll feel safe, respected, and drawn to your calm masculine energy. Number 5, your face is really expressive. These are very powerful words. It focuses on her emotions, not her appearance. When you say this, you're noticing the little things, the way her eyes sparkle when she laughs, the way her expression changes when she talks. It makes her feel seen. And women love men who pay attention to the details that no one else notices. Number 6, you seem like someone who values real connections. This is for when the conversation is getting a little deeper. It shows emotional intelligence and honesty. You're telling her, "I can tell you're not into shallow games." This sets you apart from the younger guys who are just flirting and just passing the time. It makes you look intentional, confident, and emotionally aware. And that's incredibly attractive to women of any age. In conclusion, so there you have it. The 6 best compliments older men can give younger women. Remember, it's not about remembering lines. It's about feeling the words you say. Speak the truth, see the energy in it, and let your maturity come naturally. And say these words from the heart. Then watch the effects they have. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and let me know in the comments, which compliment do you think works best for you?
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone.